This is the lecture for de Beauvoir's Introduction to an Ethics of Ambiguity. Nothing much to say about this reading except, I don't know, sometimes it gets a little like heavy or jargony or whatever. Like she's talking about deep ideas, um, like, I don't know, action condemned as an effort to be recovers its validity as a manifestation of existence, rather than a Hegelian surpassing, however. Here it is a matter of conversion, for in Hegel, the surpassed terms are conserved only as abstract moments, whereas we consider that existence still remains negativity in the positive affirmation of itself. And it does not appear in its turn as the term of a later synthesis. This failure is not surpassed but assumed. Existence affirms itself as an absolute that must seek its justification within itself and not eliminate itself, even if that be by conserving itself. And she goes on. So I don't know. There's a limit to how much you'll be able to understand this kind of like talk. The more you know about Hegel, the better you'll understand that. When she's talking about other people, the better you'll understand that. Uh, in fact, it's mostly Hegel that she's talking about when she talks about the heavy stuff. Look, I don't know. Whatever you can understand, you can understand. Whatever you can't understand, that's fine. We never can get 100% understanding of the reading, and the more that they rely on sort of historical philosophers that they don't explain within the reading themselves, the less you'll be able to understand that portion of the reading. But that's fine. This reading has plenty of stuff that you can understand without ever having heard of Hegel. I would not assign a reading that's pointless or anything like that. So, do the best you can. Some of it will make more sense than other parts of it. The more it makes sense, the better, but you do the best with what you've got. So this is just to say, don't be worried if you get like deep into the Hegelian stuff and it's like, I don't know what's going on. Fine. Hopefully you understand the stuff before that and the stuff after that, and you do the best with the Hegel that you can.